Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can swap the contents of two pieces of text. Let's examine the text content swapping feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the text modification menu appears. Then click on Text Swap. Select the first and second pieces of text in order. You can see that the style of the text remains the same, but the contents have been swapped. It's convenient to swap the contents of text without needing to copy-paste. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to swap the contents of text. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.